What's up, everybody? I'm Carlo Knight. I'm the owner and one of the specialists over at Platinum Auto Armor. And today I want to talk about the highest level of protection you can receive from us. Over here we have a 2023 E63 Mercedes AMG, and this particular customer, he wanted full body PPF, which consists of, we did full PPF on all the painted surfaces of the vehicle. He also added on all the plastics done as well in PPF. He even went as far as adding the door handles also. So we ceramic coated all the PPF, all the interior, including the cloth surfaces. We also removed all the wheels off the vehicle. So we ceramic coated the barrels of the wheels and all the brake calipers as well. Lastly, he chose to go with our ceramic tint to help with heat rejection in the vehicle as well. So really, I just wanted to show you guys today what we offer here at Platinum Auto Armor and what's the highest level of protection that you can receive from us. So if you have any questions about paint protection film, ceramic coatings, or ceramic window tint, feel free to give us a call. I'll be more than happy to go over all your options and answer any questions you may have.